if you have seen the movie by Mr. Rajnikant, Robot. So when they're sitting in the salon, they're waiting for his turn and everything, and he's getting bored, and he gets a telephone directory.
अब तो पढ़ने के लिए सिर्फ टेलीफोन
And
डायरेक्टरी
he's
है.
like, we don't have anything else to read. You have done all the math. Please read the directory. तो ऐसे करके scan कर लेते हैं. So that is essentially what Notebook LM is doing back end. And check out their interactive modes, very very fun. So they are talking. The two AI systems are talking to each other. Currently, it's also like we could have done this like one person is speaking out, right? But conversation नहीं लगता है. Notebook LM does the same thing. वो दो hosts बिठा देता है. And they're discussing what you have given. And उसके बीच में there's a button, you press that. Oh wait. So the AI will say, oh wait, it says there's some question. You can participate in the podcast.
So basically, but bringing down to a very human level as well.
Exactly. Cloud हो गया, Notebook LM हो गया. Third thing, if you have, it's not free per se, but if you want to try things out, learn a bit of automation here and there. If you can learn, for example, there are tools like Zapier, Anyten, and apart from that, we have Microsoft Power Automate. So in the same level of complexity, Zapier is easy to get started with.
Hello everyone. Welcome to another podcast here at the Wall Street School. आज का पॉडकास्ट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है और स्पेशली अगर आपने अभी अपनी क्लास 12th फिनिश करी है then the most obvious question that you will be having in your mind will be कि मैं कौन सी स्ट्रीम में जाऊं, कौन सी स्किल्स को अक्वायर करूं that will actually make me irreplaceable. Irreplaceable किससे? आज के सबसे बड़े थ्रेट या पावर टूल से which is called AI. और इसी को डिस्कस करने के लिए टुडे आई हैव विद मी अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट who himself leads this entire industry. So he is an AI automation consultant, Mr. Dhaval Singh. Welcome to this podcast.
Hello, thank you for having me.
So the podcast is going to be very interesting because we're going to talk about some straight questions and the questions are going to be something that जो एक 12th pass का student या उसके parents के mind में है. So some of these questions might sound little naive to you, but I really want to address it. Coming from you, it will really add a lot of value to the students and their parents क्योंकि वो अब एक ऐसा career चाहते हैं which is not just only in the field of accounting or finance क्योंकि वो तो सब traditional fields हो गई, right? But everything has evolved with the advent of AI. तो अब वो AI powered accountant हम कैसे बन सकते हैं is what we will be discussing upon.
Absolutely, happy to be here.
Wonderful. So my first question is going to be कि AI से क्या करे बच्चे? AI से डरे कि AI को अपना एक सुपर पावर समझे? That how to embrace AI basically in 2026.
So it's nothing to be scared about, and like you'll be hearing like a lot of news. There are layoffs. There are like lot of replacements happening. Basically, like human team members are being replaced by like AI agents and everything. You at this level do not need to be afraid of anything. You still have a good amount of years to build that foundation that is required where you become irreplaceable, right? There's nothing to be scared about. Like just be happy with it and have an open mind that okay, fine, whatever is happening, get a base, whichever skill you're working on. We'll be talking about how you can become an AI powered accountant as you mentioned. So the accountant in the whole world, AI comes first, but for you, accountant should come first. So we set up the fundamentals, the base, the foundation, then AI comes on top of it.
Absolutely. See, I feel my 10-year-old daughter, very quickly and very efficiently uses all the basic tools of AI to make her work more smarter. So definitely, the today's generation, I'm sure कि वो किसी चीज से डरते नहीं है, which is a very good, quality to have.
Yes.
And certainly everybody needs to embrace it, learn it, and move ahead with it, isn't it? So please, take that fear out of your mind कि accountants को maybe, AI replace कर देगा. No, definitely. But an accountant who uses AI might, be able to replace people who don't. So here we are discussing about what will eventually make you irreplaceable in the industry. Because, coming from you, Dhaval, let's take it from, top organizations really. Where is the industry heading? What roles do you reckon that, what particular job profiles are probably, coming up new with the big fours, with the big tens, the big MNCs of the world basically. कि वो AI powered कौन से job roles को ज़्यादा आजकल promote कर रहे हैं?
Absolutely. So, even in my experience, I'm mainly into training and making sure how organizations at a very big level as well and all sorts of sizes can adopt AI into their day-to-day operations, right? So over there, majorly what you'll see is that AI is majorly being coming into wherever you need. Ideally, you do not need some mechanical work. For example, let's say if you also, that is something if you want to fetch information from the internet, for example, research from internet or you might have like hundreds and thousands of documents sitting in your Google Drive or your SharePoint or anywhere, OneDrive, for example. So these are the kind of cases where companies are using that, where they can get to value very quickly. You, me, all the humans, right? So we can also do internet-based searches. AI can just do it faster. It's doing pretty much the same thing, right? You will take 6 hours, for example, to just prepare one single particular, equity-based research. AI is able to do that within 15 minutes. And that is where they're trying to figure out that, hey, AI can actually save a lot of time over there. Number one, if you're doing a mechanical work, for example, preparing reports, a lot of MIS tasks are there that, that are the first target of AI. Even I won't talk about engineering, but in engineering, very much similar tasks, very small work, small scale work was, targeted first by AI. So you'll see it's a mix of mechanical work and very less cognitive work, jahan pe you do not need to involve your brain that much. And for example, searches away. Searches में the only brain that you're actually using is which source do I trust. If I'm seeing Wikipedia or if I'm seeing some random website, I would know with my experience, with all of our experience, right, that we would trust Wikipedia, right? So wahan pe little decisions you have to make. But what if you just tell it you always have to trust these websites, right? And then just making its job very easier. That case, it becomes very mechanical work. So those are the kinds of workflows. I wouldn't call any specific position that is going away, but all the positions, all the job titles out there, certain percentages, getting eaten.
So basically, जो भी काम repetitive है, mechanical है, something where human intervention probably is not required that much,
Yes,
will definitely get replaced by AI.
absolutely.
But at the same time, AI, for something like accountancy for that matter, I feel, professions like accountancy, making strategic decisions, that is something that AI will definitely never be able to replace. It will help them make better strategic decisions, better
Right.
informed decisions, but not replace accountants per se.
Absolutely. Over here, you mentioned that it won't be able to do those things. I would say AI can still do it. There are these, for example, there have been this hobby projects where you give $1,000 worth of budget to AI and ask it to trade based on, how's the market moving, do sentiment analysis, do, quantitative, qualitative. Again, as I mentioned, everything that we are able to do right now, most of the things AI can do very fast. So in the moment, it can, do very complex equations as well. Now, the problem that happens, what will happen when the money goes down the drain?
Yes, yes.
So where
Who takes basically the accountability of it?
Exactly. So when it comes to accountability, so in Hindi usually I mention in my trainings that इंसान की गर्दन होती, in Hindi we have this मुहावरा कि इंसान की गर्दन पकड़ना, like if anything goes wrong, you can actually reach behind a person, right? AI does not have a गर्दन, AI doesn't have a neck, right?
Right.
So आप किसके पीछे जाएंगे? So over there जहाँ पे आपने डेटा प्रिपेयर कर लिया, आपने मॉडल बना लिया, for example, and you have all the research to back it, and you have all these data-driven recommendation to buy or sell or let the deal go, right? Decision आपने ही लेना है. So you have to even figure out that, okay, धीरे धीरे all the, let's say, all the junior level folks, all the middle level folks, and even all the senior level folks, they will ascend one level. So I don't see anyone who is able to adopt AI, right? So you will धीरे धीरे you will try to understand, okay, what is my manager doing? Let's try to understand that job. कि क्या क्या cognitive work उनकी load में होता that I can actually do, right? That is how eventually you ascend, right? But in the traditional setting, you're not able to ascend because a lot of work is also involved. जहाँ पे it's very hard to delegate. Now it is very easy to experiment a lot and figure out, ठीक है, ये experiment करा, we automated this work, it is working. Let's automate it. Now you no longer have to do it. Of course, with a human in the loop, what we call technically, a human is always in the loop. कि ठीक है, like you are, you're signing off on the key decisions. Like this model makes sense. Model में कुछ anchored inputs हैं, but there are certain assumptions. So assumptions का rationale क्या है? AI can give its own,
Right.
but your experience will then come in. So you have to work on these things. जहाँ पे it is very again coming back to the original word, it's very cognitive over there.
Basically, I think the key value to take from there is that yes, there will be new profiles that get added because of AI, but definitely the mundane task, the repetitive task is certainly going to go away. और इसलिए शायद बहुत सारी big companies layoffs कर रही हैं and AI is probably getting blamed for it. But then yes, if you're not adding any value to the organization, you will certainly get replaced. If your work can be done more efficiently by a system, then as an HR manager, as the CEO, CFO of the company, आप भी किसी को भी replace करोगे, right? So the power here is to make yourself so much skilled that you eventually become irreplaceable. और इसलिए मतलब आजकल जितने भी बच्चे 12th standard के बाद आते हैं, and they're looking for the profession of accountancy for that matter, and they want to enroll for ACCA. Every student, every parent has this question in their mind कि मैम AI का क्या करेंगे, AI से कैसे करेंगे. So I always keep telling them that this is something that we have to all embrace. And यहाँ तक कि ACC ने भी अपने curriculum में AI को embrace किया है. AI को मतलब अपने curriculum को they are making it technology savvy, they are making it AI ready basically. And I'm sure everybody's heard of the curriculum changing in September 2027. So we're bringing in data science as one of the elective subjects of ACCA, which is going to teach not purely AI, but a lot of strategic decision making that can be done with the help of AI.
Understood.
So that is how think ahead, the approach of ACCA itself is.
Right.
So somebody who is doing the qualification, becoming this global accountant, becoming this global professional, will already know how to use AI and how to, make the most of it, I feel.
Absolutely.
So, matlab, agar aap wo kar rahe ho, then you need not, have that worry in your mind, basically. Coming back to my next question, really, what would be the top 5 tools that you would recommend to any class 12 student or somebody who's, just starting off with their graduation? कि ये top 5 tools हैं AI के, free tools only, that they should know. मतलब basic knowledge उसकी होनी चाहिए.
Before answering that, you highlighted a very clear distinction between you do not need to understand in depth like what is it doing. Right? So you don't need like coding for it, right? So if anyone is suggesting you, if you have already made up your mind, you want to get into either ACCA finance, any sort of a domain, non-technical domain, like non-engineering domain, then you don't need coding skills. If you're still figuring out, that that can probably help you. But yes, you should know how to leverage the tool. Understand the possibilities and the limitations of these tools. Now coming back to the question, so 5 tools, I never usually have a list of anything, but there are always these 2 to 3 tools that I have in my mind. Number 1 is Claude. All of these tools, for example, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, DeepSeek, for example, you can put them in the same bucket. Perplexity sits separately. And so these are all sitting in the same bucket. So on this particular bucket, it's basically like, think of it as a general physician. So if you feel like any symptoms, right? If I'm feeling like a rash in my throat, right? I won't directly go to an ENT specialist. I'll first go to my general physician that, hey, can you help me or can you redirect me to someone? So these are those kind of tools that are very general purpose, right? ChatGPT means GPT means general purpose tool, right? So over there, what you need to do over there is go out of all this bucket, right? Pick up Claude, because Claude and Anthropic in general, they are investing heavily their whole R&D efforts and everything towards very complex tasks that come into your finance and also a lot of legal work as well, right? So that is where they're heading, and they have these amazing integrations. Even for the basic tool set, I would suggest Excel. Excel as you have to get that right. So that sets up your fundamentals and that sets your foundation, right? On top of that, we have now Claude readily available within Excel as well, because you mentioned free tools. So these integrations work on the paid plan. But yeah, you can use them separately as well. You can just go to Claude.ai and sign up, and of course, like with the permission cut set of Gajan. And once you have that, you can then just start understanding. You can also use these tools to learn a lot, because they know. वो कहते हैं ना, like हिंदी में हम कहते हैं कि हमने बड़ों ने दुनिया देखी है. Claude ने apparently ज़्यादा दुनिया देखी होती है. So Claude has been to every country, every city. जहाँ भी internet है, जहाँ भी people can talk, Claude has known all of that, right? So it is all readily at its fingertips. It is available. Google से भी ज़्यादा. So you have to think it from this perspective. एक general purpose tool, that is Claude. That is what I recommend. ChatGPT is good for like homework and normal things, but Claude is a bit more serious towards it, and its user base is also towards that. So therefore, it naturally makes sense. Financially also, it naturally makes sense for the company to invest in what is being sold. जो माल बिक रहा है, जो मेरा product बिक रहा है, वो वहीं invest कर रहे हैं उस चीज के लिए. Therefore, ChatGPT we find like normal features and everything, good for images, good for creative stuff and everything. Claude specifically go for all the logical thinking that you want to do, right? So that is one. Secondly, my favorite tool is NotebookLM. So NotebookLM is built and developed and maintained by Google. Their team only takes care of that. It's free tool, and it's a free tool with generous limits. Even on the free tool, me, a consultant, I was never able to, hit their limits, what they were offering. NotebookLM helps you, as I mentioned earlier, for example, AI can help you go through a lot of resources, for example, right? So if you have, let's say, if you have your books, and if you have, let's say, soft copy of any cases you're working on, it might be anything, right? So if you have those PDFs, those Word documents, those, PowerPoints and everything, you can just put them in NotebookLM. If you have, I usually use this example, if you have seen the movie, I think this generation, it might be, they might not get it, but if you have seen the movie, by Mr. Rajnikant Robot. So when they're
Yes.
sitting in the salon, they're waiting for his turn and everything, and he's getting bored, and he gets a telephone directory, and he's like, "We don't have anything else to read. You have done all the magazines. Read the directory." तो ऐसे करके स्कैन कर लेते हैं. So that is essentially what Notebook LM is doing back end, right? आपने उसको वो सारी books दी. Basically, it can be your books, it can be any sort of resource, right?
So anything that is related to academic purpose, maybe Notebook LM
Absolutely.
probably is like the best tool for
Absolutely,
it.
absolutely.
Wonderful.
At this stage, academically, yes, of course. Organizations, what they're doing, for example, in BFSI, you have insurance, right? Insurance is a heavily documented, like everything is on paper, even legal. But over
Right.
here, we'll use insurance example.
Mm.
So there are, for example, take any insurance company, for example, right? Let's take Policybazaar. They're an aggregator, but let's take their example. If they have information about all these policies, like huge amount of documents, right? Now, if any question comes in, like, out of all of these 150 and 200, like whatever policies you have, which one is best for me? I have, these are my, profile. And now for a person to go through it, you can do it. You can do it. It might take you
Absolutely.
months
Yes.
or weeks or days, but you can do it. But this is the kind of work that AI can do much better.
Much faster, much more efficiently as
Exactly.
well, I
And it is
feel.
very context aware. एक
Right.
point पे you might get fatigue.
Hmm.
You might get अरे मैं बोर हो गया. You
Hmm.
might can miss some things, but it won't be out of fatigue कि यार आज मन नहीं कर रहा
आज
काम
मन
करने
नहीं
का.
करो तो उसको
तो cloud
शॉर्टकट
बंद
ले
है.
लेते हैं.
हाँ इससे कि आज 5 बजे क्लॉट चला गया वो अब मंडे को आएगा डायरेक्टली. So it's not like that, right? So ये चीज़ है. So you can use Notebook LM for that. Also, it has this audio feature which I love. Usually in my education also I use it a lot. So we used to get these case studies and everything. I think Pepsi versus Cola might be if you're in pre-college.
Classic
you'll
example, yes.
Exactly, you'll eventually get there. So the Cola wars and everything. So we used to do the same thing. We use Notebook LM. We'll dump all of these case studies and everything. So that like we don't want to see. Nobody wants to read 200-page document
Absolutely.
and then try to make sense out of it. nahi na to you'll remember all of it, neither you're supposed to remember all of it, right? Like very key details actually matter. So we used to convert it into an audio podcast. So like basically what we're doing right now, Notebook LM वो खुद से ही कर लेगा. And check out their interactive modes, very very fun. So they are talking, the two AI systems are talking to each other. Currently it's also like we could have done this like one person is speaking out, right? But conversation नहीं लगता है. So Notebook LM does the same thing. वो 2 hosts बिठा देता है
Okay,
and they're
wonderful.
discussing what you have given. And उसके बीच में there's a button, you press that. Oh wait. So the AI will say, oh wait, it says there's some question. You can participate in the podcast.
So basically, but bringing down to a very human level as well, I feel.
Exactly. कि वो they are like doing थोड़ा ऐसे ना real लग रहा है. They're waiting, they're taking a pause, सांस ले रहे हैं, everything. So these are 2 tools. I know it was like a 20-word question, 2 marks का आंसर था, but मैंने 10 के हिसाब से लिख दिया. But so number 1, Claude. Don't go behind ChatGPT and everything. Claude is good enough for academic purposes as well. Free plan, generous limits you'll get. I don't think you'll have like they'll have like any very big models to run on everything.
Right.
Claude हो गया, Notebook LM हो गया. Third thing, if you have, it's not free per se, but if you want to try things out, learn a bit of automation here and there. If you can learn, for example, there are tools like Zapier, Anyten, and apart from that, we have Microsoft Power Automate. So in the same level of complexity, Zapier is the easiest to get started with. So you can just try to learn some things, right? Okay, when I get an email, save the attachment, save to my drive folder, make an entry in the Excel sheet, and just be done with it. So at this moment, you should start understanding how you can make apps talk to each other. Because in your job, you're doing, you are using 5 apps here and there. The moment you understand that, the moment you build that logic, that is the fundamental logic how coders think without learning how to code. So without all that complexity, right, you can get the fun part out of it. So I am a software engineer and I moved to consulting. This is something that I've still taken with me. I don't code anymore a lot, but I just do it for fun. But that automation thinking, right, that will always be with you. There was a people who build AI have the same thinking, right? So you have to be working on that level. So in the same order, you can just get started. Claude is there, Notebook LM is there. And if parents are watching, Notebook LM is extremely safe. Notebook LM में पता है क्या होता है? It does not go to the internet. आपको इंटरनेट का एक्सेस ही नहीं मिलेगा उसमें unless you turn it on, right? So it's a good setup for a थोड़ा सा parental supervision के साथ you can use it. क्योंकि Claude में you can ask anything over there. And अब क्योंकि पूरी दुनिया देखी, right? So naturally you think it will be able to answer any single thing, right? Like मतलब any topic you can answer. But Notebook LM जो भी आपने उसको initially वो telephone directory provide करी वो वहीं पे जवाब देगा. So that is a good tool. What I usually
that's a new thing for me as well. Even I did not know that. Wonderful. Thank you so
Yeah,
much for
absolutely.
telling me this.
Yeah.
Dhaval just mentioned that there's so much to explore. And when we actually go out there and use these AI tools, it just becomes, I personally find it so interesting that, oh my God, what has it created in a fraction of
Yeah.
in less than a minute, such wonderful PPTs get prepared, such wonderful data gets analyzed. And so, definitely we should all be very excited about, the times ahead. And that is how we should embrace it and maybe, just use it as much as you can. Just embrace it as much as you can, really.
Right.
और यही थॉट प्रोसेस के साथ हमने एट वॉल स्ट्रीट स्कूल अभी अपना एक नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है. See, there are students, who obviously come and undertake the ACCA qualification with us. They do the financial modeling qualification with us.
Right.
But there was like a missing leg because times have changed. And it's now time to embrace AI as well. And that is why we've integrated the entire AI for finance module in our ACCA program itself. So any student who comes here and, studies AI with us, studies ACCA with us, studies financial modeling with us, Power BI, AI in Excel, तो हम पहले ही थोड़ा like basics we were teaching to the students. Power BI was there already, but now we've integrated the entire AI for finance module, for our ACCA students. So tell me more about it, Dhaval, कि मतलब उसमें क्या-क्या students को already मतलब practicality point of view से वो क्या-क्या सीखने वाले हैं?
There are a lot of factory use cases over there. Eventually, what you'll be doing in a job setting is something that we covered. Ki the whole superset of items you will actually be working on in a job setting. उसमें से कहाँ पे कहाँ कैसे you can use AI. So we go from the starting to the ending right now. We also a non-technical manner में we try to explain कि कितना bare minimum होता है theory for you to understand how AI works. And then finally we touch upon AI tools and then we bring them together. कि ठीक है हमने AI का देख लिया थोड़ा हमने tools देख लिए. Finance is something you're already taken care of and उसके बाद how like where do these two worlds collide and where not collide but where are where's the overlap, where do they meet? So वो चीज we cover over there. So majorly the use case we cover, for example, tools already mentioned. There are few more tools over there, but tools majorly are covered. And from a course perspective as well, we usually do, for example, we cover revenue forecasting, what you can do, what are the actuals when they are coming back as well, how you can benchmark those, and how can the system also learn here. ये हमने forecast किया था, actuals ये आ गए, how is it, so it can also learn. On top of it, revenue forecasting में we have the scenario modeling as well. कि ऐसा तो नहीं कि forecasting सिर्फ एक ही होगी. There can be multiple scenarios. Things can go in your favor. Things can go against your favor. Things can just be, the neutral, for example. So all these scenarios are covered. How is AI able to help you understand revenue drivers, understand cost drivers? For any business, any company name you put in, it will be able to get to you. If you are working, let's say, primarily in BFSI, so you might be able to understand like, okay, how do holdings work? How do investment banks work? How do banks are, working? But what if I gave you Jubilant? Like, tell me cost driver क्या होगा Domino's का? So you might be a little bit hesitant कि यार experience में तो नहीं था, but you can try to figure it out, right? Do that exercise. It's a good thing. On a company level, you not essentially always have that kind of time available.
Right.
तो वहाँ पे AI क्योंकि उसने दुनिया देखी, it will be able to हाँ इसके cost drivers ही होते हैं, ऐसा ही होता. So you as not just a finance person, just not a numbers person, so we go, how can you use AI to go beyond the numbers? वहाँ पे story समझ आती है क्या हो रहा है, right? And you can then come up with a lot of things. इसके अलावा we cover automation as well कि AI तो कर लिया, ठीक है, अब हमारी बैक एंड फोर्थ हो रही है क्लाउड के साथ, चार्टजीपीटी के साथ. एक बार जब हम वन प्राउंड वन रिस्पॉन्स पे पहुंच गए, जब देयर आर नो एम्बिग्यूटीज, नो कंफ्यूजन फॉर AI, अब वो बस बॉटलनेक बनता है, हमें एंटर दबाना है लैपटॉप पे, राइट? सो वो बॉटलनेक कैसे हटाना होता है, हाउ कैन यू सेट अप ऑटोमेटेड वर्कफ्लोज दैट आर जस्ट वर्किंग व्हाइल यू आर स्लीपिंग एज वेल. तो वी गो फ्रॉम दैट थ्योरी से लेकर पूरा एंड टू एंड ऑटोमेशन तक. More things, if I say, we covered budget variance and उसके अलावा we cover modeling as well, what was just mentioned. And यही चीज होती है. One thing what I wanted to mention that AI ठीक है, AI है वो कर देगा, right? And we just mentioned that AI is able to even build models जो normally like 8 दिन लग रहे हैं, 6 दिन लग रहे हैं, 2 दिन लग रहे हैं, 1 घंटा भी लग रहा है. AI is still able to do it much faster, right? But with certain mistakes, कुछ problems आती हैं. So you should at least know उतना fundamentals of AI and a good base in your own domain. कि अगर कुछ problem आ रही है तो you're able to figure it out. क्योंकि नहीं तो you're just betting on luck कि हाँ AI चल रहा है तो चल रहा है.
और AI ने कहा है तो ठीक ही होगा. We cannot presume everything to be right as well.
Exactly. एक लाइन लिखी होती है, आपने ChatGPT Copilot कोई भी टूल खोलो,
yes, नीचे there's a disclaimer given.
Exactly. It's an AI. It will make
and
mistakes.
It can make mistakes. You need to ratify.
Absolutely.
You need to cross check and then only take it forward.
Absolutely, absolutely. वो तो चलिए ठीक है, उनको बेचना था तो उन्होंने लिया. It can make mistakes. I always tell it will make
It will
mistakes.
make mistakes.
वो करेगा ही करेगा. नहीं तो हम एक वो सबकॉन्शियसली बिठा लेते हैं ना कि हाँ we are trusting है, तो वो ट्रस्ट नहीं करना है कभी उस चीज को. The one benefit of Notebook LM comes in कि it is able to give you sources and citations of every single thing.
Okay, so
हम usually ये करते
whether
हैं.
it's reliable or not.
Exactly.
Basically.
And number one, the onus of ensuring that the data is reliable is on you. आपने सोर्सेज दिए हैं. ChatGPT तो बोल देगा मैं इंटरनेट पे रैंडमली किसी नॉर्मल पर्सन सिटिंग इन एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ कंट्री, एनी सिटी, एंड वहां से उसने बता दिया. इज नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, वी डोंट नो, बट ChatGPT वोंट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. अब वो नहीं ड्यू डिलिजेंस करेगा. नोटबुक LM हेल्प्स यू विद दैट. सो आपने डाल दिया. यूजुअली हम जब इंडस्ट्री बेंचमार्किंग करते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, तो वहां पे वी गैदर लास्ट 3 years वर्थ ऑफ एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स फॉर लाइक 3 companies, 6 companies, 9 companies, राइट. एंड वो सारे हम पेज का डेटा उठा के लेकर आते हैं. अब इतना एक एनुअल रिपोर्ट रफली होती है 800 पेज, 1200 पेज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एनीवे, राइट. दैट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 9. मैं तो नहीं पढ़ने वाला बच्ची. इतना मैंने लाइक इवन प्री AI मैंने इतना नहीं पढ़ा है, मतलब इतना वर्थ ऑफ टेक्स्ट मटेरियल, राइट. सो नाउ इट इज एबल टू डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो वहां पे वो ट्रस्टेड होता है. आप बोलेंगे बेटा का नंबर्स मुझे ग्रोथ बताओ. एवरी ईयर इट विल गो एंड फाइंड इन ऑल द रिपोर्ट्स एंड इट विल मेंशन कि यार ये मुझे इस पेज पे यहाँ से मिला. सो यू नो इट्स प्रीटी मच रिलायबल. नॉर्मल टूल्स में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लमैटिक हो जाता है.
सो बेसिकली मतलब अगर मैं आज की बात करूं तो somebody who enrolls with us for this ACCA AI Pro program as we call it, so that particular person is obviously going to be doing graduation along with their after their class 12, is doing ACCA with us, is doing financial modeling. तो वो नॉलेज सारी है. अब उस प्रैक्टिकल मतलब उसको उस नॉलेज को प्रैक्टिकली विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पावर ऑफ AI practically and more efficiently कैसे use करने वाला, that is something that you will be teaching the students.
Absolutely. So AI comes at the end.
जैसे हमने पहले बताया था.
First to do the fundamentals.
Absolutely. I mean knowledge तो चाहिए ना basically.
Yes, yes. So AI can never be a basement or like a foundation of any building. आप करो, it can be a gazebo, fancy सा ऊपर on the top of it, but like it cannot be the base and foundation.
Absolutely. Yes. So come to think of it, मतलब अगर मैं today is 2026 we're talking about. By the time students will qualify, it will be minimum say 2028 for that matter, है ना? And AI would have also adapted by then. There would be a lot of transformation in AI itself that would have happened. And ACC's curriculum also would have adapted by then.
Right.
So you could be one of the first batches who comes out AI ready.
Exactly.
From not just ACCA's perspective, but from the industry's perspective as well.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, that becomes a very powerful combination, I feel that, and certainly something that parents sitting today in 2026 should think about. Where our child is heading for the next 3 years. Companies को क्या चाहिए? एक resource चाहिए जो कि completely ready है, जिसको सब कुछ आता है. They don't want to
plug and play.
Yes, they don't want to spend 3 weeks, तो चलो मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत ज्यादा बोलूं, 3 days की ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं कोई देना चाहता आज की डेट में, कि आपको सब आता है, लैपटॉप पकड़ो, काम पे चलो. Right. That is exactly what companies want from employees. So if you're someone who is able to bring that value to the table, that is something that probably will make you replaceable, isn't it?
Absolutely. And having these skill set, right? So in tech we usually call it future proofing. I think this generation will understand. जब भी हम गेमिंग पीसी लेते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल, राइट, हमें गेम खेलना है, वी आर नॉट बाइंग अ गेमिंग पीसी की आज का गेम चल रहा है. वी आर एटलीस्ट यार वी आर पुटिंग इन गुड मनी, एटलीस्ट 3 साल 5 साल तो चले. सो वी कॉल इट फ्यूचर प्रूफिंग. सो द सेम थिंग विद स्किल सेट एज वेल, राइट. सो आई एम आल्सो ग्लैड, लाइक मुझे तो अभी पता चला कि ACCA हैज मतलब सिलेबस में इंट्रोड्यूस करा है. So far, apart from the tech courses, I haven't seen anything non-tech domain में anyone integrating इतने base level पे की, मतलब getting it. I think ACCA we do it right after 12th, right? Or
yes,
right after college?
You can start after 12th as well, and that's the beauty of ACCA. मतलब उनकी tagline है think ahead. So they are very progressive in terms of their curriculum, that what is the need of the future employer, not today's employer. They are always thinking ahead of times.
Right.
कल को क्या चाहिए? Sustainability चाहिए, ESG चाहिए, AI knowledge चाहिए.
Right.
So they will integrate all of this within the curriculum itself.
Understood.
तभी जो AI मतलब तभी जो ACCA मतलब basically affiliates बनते हैं, जो students clear करके निकलते हैं, they are more job ready than an average graduate.
Understood.
And that is where the value comes in.
Mm-hmm.
And with I think the practical AI tools that you will be now teaching the students, I think it's going to become a very rock solid combination of a resource to become.
Absolutely. And this brings me to a point you just mentioned, ki imagine like you are there and one of your friends is there, right? Or anyways, we are all competing for the same thing, right? So yahan pe, let's say you have same level, equivalent level of competency on all the financial knowledge and all these skills and all the expertise you require, right? But you have that AI knowledge and the other person does not have it, right? you can walk into any cream of the firms, right? Like you think, you name it, you point at the firm, you will at least get a chance. At least you can get an interview based on just your knowledge, right? यही difference रहेगा. And वो तो चलो, that is on at your level right now. Think of it. Currently, professionals sitting who are now being trained by companies on air, right? Because उनके टाइम ये चीज नहीं थी. They have been graduated, they have been upskilled. They have been trained and certified, qualified long back. So you doing it right now from the very start. So think of it. उनके लिए ना एक J curve आता. They have to unlearn and then they start getting value back. So usually how even I position my trainings as well with companies, right? When I have to understand what is a general work experience, right? Because at that moment starting में ना productivity dip आता है. It's not कि आपने AS सीख लिया, productive बहुत बन गए. एकदम से नहीं आता. It's not a plug and play thing, right? So वहाँ पे starting में हल्का सा dip आता है because they have to unlearn. In your case, that won't be true because you're already having the foundation. Then AR, right? So there's nothing to unlearn, right? And at this level, that is the best thing you can do. So usually कहते हैं ना बच्चे clay के जैसे होते हैं. I forgot the term, but
कच्ची मिट्टी.
कच्ची मिट्टी. Yes. So it is said like that. तो हाँ, like at this moment, जितना early you can start it. I always say like the best time to start was yesterday. So यही चीज होती है. And I would have loved to, gotten this kind of exposure this early on in my
Absolutely. I think, today's Gen Z, Gen Alpha, they are in the best time of their age. Because हमारे time पे तो computers, like in my times, computers were a big thing. And people kind of, were wary of it. But today, everybody embraces computers and there's no work that can be done without a computer, right? Similarly, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, we all will be eventually using AI in our daily lives. तो जितना जल्दी आप उसको adapt करोगे, embrace करोगे, उतना जल्दी आप ahead of the competition रहोगे. So that is something that you should all take away from this podcast. And I'm really, thankful to you, Dhaval, that you've been so open and candid about कि हाँ foundation अपनी strong करो, then think of AI. But हाँ उसको साथ साथ में लेके चलेंगे हम. To be that, that ultimate, जिसे हम बोलते हैं ACCA, AI Pro Professional, who is job ready, who is skill ready in terms of the, like future proofing is what you said. So future proof your career with the qualification. And like I always say that, come down and meet us. This is just to provide you information of what all is happening in the industry, what all is there that is available for you to upskill yourself. Uske baad, come have a candid discussion. Agar lagta hai that this is exactly where your heart belongs, where you want your career to, to be, then only enroll for it. Otherwise, knowledge to at least mil gayi na aapko. Then you can make an informed decision as to, where you want your career to head basically. So that's it really. And thank you so much, Dhaval, for sparing out the time and giving this, value add for students कि AI से डरो नहीं, but कि AI को embrace करो और जिस भी field को choose करते हो, take AI as your superpower along with it. So thank you so much for joining in, Dhaval.
Absolutely. Happy to be here.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this podcast. Until next time, thank you. God bless.